Hey, Miss Broaden. It's Kent Chesser here. I have the same book, and I have the instructions for the free falling experiment right on my computer here, and I hope it doesn't go black. But I'm going to try and do it in one take so I don't have to worry about whether or not you get the right videos. So the first part of the experiment is to take a sheet of paper and your textbook or any book with the same size and weight and drop them side by side in the same height. So I'm going to go about waist height and get a piece of paper and the book it came from. And what I think is going to happen is the book is going to fall straight down. The paper is going to go wisp probably off to my right. So. Well, actually, it wasn't at the same time necessarily, but it was from the same height. And they landed a lot closer than I thought they would. So, the next part of the experiment is to place the sheet of paper on top of the book and drop them at the same time. If I had to guess what would happen, I would say that, again, I think the piece of paper is going to fall away and the book is probably going to fall faster. I don't know, we'll see. There's no fans on in here, by the way. Okay, that was a little more surprising than I thought. They fell at exactly the same time, and I'm picking them up as is, and they didn't even separate. I guess I don't know as much about physics as I thought. So, the third part of the experiment is to crumple a sheet of paper into a loose ball and drop it side by side. Yeah, and to drop it side by side from the same height as the book. So, this is roughly a ball. Kind of loose, spongy. Here's the book. I think I'm actually going to keep it flat this time, just like I did before. Given what happened last time, I kind of think that they're going to fall. This at the same time, simultaneously. So, yeah, that's exactly what happened. I don't know. I guess I thought at first I would have thought that because the piece of paper is lighter than the book, then the heavier book would have fallen first, and maybe like the air was going to catch the paper, but it didn't at all. They fell simultaneously, completely. Like, so the fourth part of the experiment is to crumple a sheet of paper into a very tight ball and do the same thing. I'm gonna use a different sheet of paper, just cause. Yeah, this will do. What do I think's gonna happen? I think that they're gonna fall at the same time, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna vary it a little bit. I think it's gonna drop easier if I hold it this way. And maybe it's more aerodynamic than the ball, but it's gonna be the same height. So now they dropped it exactly at the same time. Yeah, I guess my initial instincts were not correct. I mean, I'm used to being proven wrong by science based on instincts, but yeah, I really did think that the air in the room would catch the paper in some way, and it doesn't seem that it really did. I don't know if humidity would ever play a role in this, or if I was outside in the wind, I think it would probably be different. But it's pretty still in here, and I don't know. I don't think that's a huge contributing factor to why all these objects fell at the exact same time. I think it's just because gravity is exerting the same force on all of them. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to put this on YouTube. I'm glad I could get this done in one take. Thank you for letting me make it up.